So hi everyone, and it's a huge pleasure meeting you again with Moments with Chemistry. So today we are going to continue with the 2019 paper, the new syllabus 2019 MCQ paper. So question number 41, we are going to start with 41. Among the halogens, I2 is a solid whereas Br2 is a liquid. Obvious, no? The only two liquids that are there in that periodic table at room temperature is bromine and mercury. So 41, the first statement is correct. Second statement, London forces become stronger with increase in molecular surface area. Yes, that's correct. And does it explain? Yes. When the number of London forces increases, the total intensity of intermolecular attraction increases. So therefore the boiling point increases. So therefore solids have a higher boiling point than liquids. So if attractions are more, the molecules are more and more tightly packed to one another. So it's true. 41, your answer is the first one. 41, first one. 42, at a given pressure, the spontaneity of the reaction between N2 and H2 to give NH3 drops with increasing temperature. We'll come this. N2 plus 3H2 giving you 2NH3. Delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. This is an exothermic reaction, so therefore delta H negative. Using your knowledge on the Haber process, this particular reaction is exothermic. Okay, so delta H is negative. Delta S. As the forward reaction goes, 4 molecules becoming 2 molecules, delta S is negative. So T delta S portion is positive. So if you increase the temperature, positivity will increase. If positivity of this T delta S increases, delta G becomes more and more positive, which means the spontaneity decreases. Delta G becoming more and more positive due to increase in T. If T increases, T delta S becomes more and more positive. Delta S negative now. So if T increases, T delta S minus T delta S become more and more positive. So if it is to become more and more positive, delta G will become more and more positive. This is negative now, we can't do anything. So therefore, spontaneity will have to drop. That's correct. First statement is correct. Second one, entropy change of the reaction between N2 and H2 is negative. Correct now? Number of molecules with a forward reaction 4 to 2 decreases. So therefore randomness decreases. So therefore that's correct. And since that is the reason that we came to this. So since that is the reason, answer is answer number 1. 42, your answer is answer number 1. 43. Essential oils are generally extracted from plant materials by steam distillation. Correct? No? Correct. Because they have volatile components, they are extracted by steam distillation. Second one, essential oils have high solubility in water. No. You take a perfume and dissolve in water, it won't dissolve. That's why at the end of the steam distillation, we can see them as 2 distinct layers. So this implies the fact that essential oils do not dissolve in water. So therefore that's wrong. First statement correct, second statement wrong. 43, answer is answer number 3. 43, answer is answer number 3. 44. A spontaneous reaction always has a negative Gibbs energy no matter what the conditions are. That's wrong. They didn't tell us what happens to temperature. They didn't tell us whether it's exothermic or endothermic. All of a sudden temperature can increase. So that's a wrong statement actually. We can't just, if we have to speak about delta G, it is mandatory, it's actually mandatory, compulsory that we speak about both delta H and delta S. Without knowing what delta H and delta S are, we can't come into a conclusion regarding delta G. Delta H, delta S, අනිවාර්යම ඕනේ. නැත්නම් අපිට මේ delta G ගැන කතා කරන්න බෑ. Okay. Next one. Gibbs energy change can be used to predict the direction of the reaction only under constant temperature, constant pressure condition. Yes. If the temperature is constant, pressure constant, number of moles constant. So therefore, Gibbs energy change is only going to depend on how the reaction favors. Because temperature constant means what happens? Delta is constant. T constant, delta is constant, delta H is also constant. So therefore G will be predominantly monitored by how the reaction happens. So the way in which the reaction is favored, we can say looking at G. So that's correct. So 44, first one is wrong, second one is correct. Answer is answer number 4. 44, answer is answer number 4. 45. Solubility of 1-butanol in water is less than the solubility of methanol in water. What is 1-butanol? 1-butanol means CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. 1-methanol is CH3OH. Both have hydrogen bonding. I also agree, no issues. They will dissolve in water. But look at the solubility of both. Solubility of both. If you look at 1-butanol, the nonpolar component or the nonpolar group is greater, which means London force strength is greater. So if the London force strength is greater, the amount that 1-butanol dissolves in water is less. Why? Nonpolar component will also have a substantial impact on the dissolving. So since the nonpolar component is more bulkier than in this one has only 1 carbon now, but this one has another 4 carbon to look after. So therefore 1-butanol is less soluble. That is correct. 45, the first one is correct. Second one, solubility of alcohols in water decreases as the size of the nonpolar alkyl group increases relative to the polar OH group. That's correct now. That is how we have got this. So both are correct, and since they are explaining one another, answer is answer number 1. 45, answer is answer number 1. 46. The reaction CH3CH double bond CH2 with HBr is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Wrong. H plus acts as the electrophile, and this reaction is an electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. So 46, the first one is wrong. Second one, a secondary carbocation is formed in the reaction intermediate in the following reaction. First of all, we'll see the reaction mechanism first of all. Here, CH3, CH double bond CH2, HBr. So slight negative, slight positive here. Then CH3, CH3, positive. Br minus comes and acts as the nucleophile in second reaction, giving you CH3, CH, Br, CH3. So a secondary carbocation is formed in that particular reaction. That's correct. So 46, the first one is correct, second one is wrong. So your answer will be answer number 4. 46, answer is answer number 4. 47. Coke is used in several industrial processes. Actually very lame one. True no? Even in iron extraction you are using coke. What not you are using coke? I mean almost all industries. So that's correct. Second one. Coke is only used industrially as a fuel. No. In iron extraction it is the major reductant. It's the major reductant. So therefore only as a fuel is wrong. So 47, the first statement is correct. Second statement is wrong. Answer is answer number 3. 47, your answer should be answer number 3. 48. The carbonyl carbon atom of a ketone and other atoms bonded to it lie in the same plane. Correct no? COR dash R. So this is what SP 2 hybridization, trigonal planar arrangement. So therefore 48, the first one is correct. Second one, carbonyl carbon of ketone is sp2 hybridized. Yes. And that's the reason why it is in the same plane. 48, answer is answer number 1. 48, answer is answer number 1. 49, any two ideal gases have the same average kinetic energy at same temperature. Correct no? You know that kinetic energy of an ideal gas Ke equal to 3 over 2 kT. So kinetic energy depends only on temperature, Kelvin temperature. So if it's at the same temperature, no matter what the gas is, what do they have? They have the same kinetic energy. 49, first one is correct. 50, second one, at a given temperature, the average speed of gaseous molecules adjusts according to their masses. At a given temperature, average speed, C squared bar equal to 3 RT over M. So as T changes, to maintain, now Ke equal to half mc squared bar. So if temperature changes, the gases should adjust their speed c squared bar to maintain the same kinetic energy in accordance with their mass. So in accordance with the mass, they will change the c squared bar value such that kinetic energy is constant. So 49, the second one is also correct, and since they both explain, 49 answer is answer number 1. 49 answer is answer number 1. 50th question. Although CFC contributes to ozone layer depletion, contribution from HFC is negligible. Correct. Hydrofluorocarbon is the main alternative that they first of all introduced to combat this ozone layer depletion. So 50th one, first one is correct. Second one, HFC undergoes complete decomposition before reaching upper atmosphere. No. No. It won't reach. In the HFC undergoes complete decomposition before reaching the upper atmosphere. No. It doesn't have to undergo. Hydrofluorocarbon, it doesn't have a chlorine atom. So why does it have to undergo decomposition? So that's wrong. So 50th one, first one is wrong, first one is correct, second one is wrong. So the answer will be the third one. 50th one, third one. So that marks the end of our second paper, 2019 MCQ new syllabus. Actually, your support had brought us up to this level. So thank you for all your support and stay tuned for the next paper. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Stay safe. Hey everyone, I think that particular video had added some amount of advantage to your pinnacle of success. Chemistry will indeed become one of your most favorite subjects at the end of what we take as a journey. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this particular channel with those whom you like. And wait, whether your comments are advantageous or disadvantageous, please do put them down in the chat box because everything amounts to us. So thank you and have a nice day.